How can you eliminate Avaya soft phones and the physical phones in customer service? How can you run everything in the web browser, including the phone for Avaya contact center agents, without exposing your valuable data to the shared cloud services? There are two options. You can run Avaya Agent Web Phone by Comstice on the CRM pages like Salesforce, ServiceNow, Pega, and Zendesk. In that case, Web Phone includes the agent features and also audio communications. Screen pop and click to call will work natively. Web Phone works securely even without any VPN, so having remote agents will be much easier than ever. The other option is to use Avaya Agent Web Portal by Comstice. This is an alternative to Avaya AXP without any risk of getting discontinued. This portal brings the phone functionality and runs on your network as well. Your remote agents can access to your Avaya contact center securely with full encryption. Check out comstice.com/Avaya to learn more.